Hi, I'm Faith and I'm a customer success manager. It might not be your cup of tea, but it's become almost impossible to avoid hearing about Love Island. ITV2's most popular show to date has captured the nation's attention, with almost 3.4 million viewers watching the premiere. In this video, we'll dissect what Love Island has to do with Google Shopping and how taking advantage of trends can benefit e-commerce retailers. ITV has taken full advantage of the popularity of Love Island, resulting in shoppable TV. The Love Island app features Shop the Show, a service which collates all the fashion, cosmetic tools and toiletries from the show and streamlines the purchasing process. Some viewers will also copy and paste titles into Google hoping for a better deal, meaning that these search terms can be bid on by competitors to redirect traffic to their website and products instead. This year's show has managed to pull in an impressive £12 million in advertising revenue, and brands have been rushing to attach themselves to the show. So, what does Love Island have to do with Google Shopping? There's been a huge increase in search terms like Love Island fashion, Love Island clothes, and Love Island bottles, highlighting the consumer interest in shopping the show. These searches spike when the show is airing, demonstrating a need for a highly reactive, automated bidding approach. Taking advantage of Google Trends about Love Island can help you see which specific search terms are increasing and when. This can inform you on what to bid more aggressively for on Google Shopping, allowing your products to appear higher in the carousel and gain more impressions. For example, on this year's show, Jake asked Liberty to be his girlfriend with a pair of magnetic bracelets designed for couples. The search term Love Island bracelet then grew 1,000%, with similar search terms involving bracelets growing in popularity around the same time. Search term data is an invaluable resource when it comes to Google Shopping. By keeping your finger on the pulse of what's popular and trending, you can adjust your Google Shopping bids accordingly. This will ensure that your products are being seen by the people who are searching for them. To take full advantage of shows like Love Island, which cause an increase in specific search terms, it's important to alter your Google Shopping bids in response. This can often be a difficult and time-consuming task for a person to manually do. Bidnamic's always-on, always-learning approach means that you no longer have to do all of this yourself. Our system automatically detects trends and spikes in search terms and adjusts shopping bids accordingly. I hope you found this video helpful and insightful. If you'd like to learn more about Google Shopping, please book a call with one of our Google Shopping experts.